situation. We'll look at the mean value theorem. We have a function 3 minus 7x squared, an interval -3 to positive 5. Okay, and we're going to find the average or mean slope of the function on this interval. So that would be, we'll draw a straight line from 2 points there, and I'll show an illustration of that. Then by the mean value theorem, there is a c inside that interval such that the derivative at c is equal to this mean slope or gradient. Okay, let's take a look at an illustration. All right, so the function is in white. Okay, 3 minus 7x squared. It's a parabola. The interval is from -3 to positive 5. And so we find these points on the curve at x equals -3, x equals 5. And we draw a straight line. Okay. So we're going to find the slope or gradient of the blue line. All right. There is a tangent, okay, with the same gradient, and that x value there is the c that we're looking for. Okay, and that's where the derivative is equal to the slope of the blue line. All right, so let's look at the algebra. You might want to pause it here and see if you can work it out. Otherwise, I'll get you started. Okay, here's our function. We're going to need the first derivative, which is nice and easy to get. Okay. There we go. And then I would suggest that you give it a pause here. And the first thing you want to do is get the gradient of this blue line. Okay. So the gradient of the blue line is just going to be the change in y. You're going to have 2 points, basically, change in y over change in x. Okay, so it's the value of the function at 5 minus the value of the function at -3, and change in x in the denominator. So pause this here and calculate that number. Okay, and so that's the gradient of the blue line. That works out to a nice number, -14. And so now we know that the value of the derivative at c is equal to -14. Okay, the pink and the blue lines, parallel, same gradient. Okay, and then that is fairly easy to set up to the derivative at c. So we put in c for x, and we know the answer is -14, and then we just have to solve for c. And nice friendly numbers here. C is 1, and that's it. Okay, so hopefully this illustration helps, and I would always recommend that you try drawing these things to help you see what's going on, give you a little bit of intuition, and then finally do the algebra. Okay, hope that helped.